to my channel Wanna Be a Supermom. So today I'm here again with one more shopping haul, and that is from none other than Shein haul. So I have purchased so many tops and dresses from Shein. So today I'm here with another latest collection from Shein, and Shein has sent me so beautiful collections this time which can be worn anywhere I want. I mean, I don't have to think that can I wear this or not. So let's get started before talking further. So the first top which I want to show you all is this one. This is a one which I am loving it, and every week I'm wearing it because this looks good also for my office and also for my videos because it's so colorful. The embroideries which is done on the front portion of the dress makes me look slimmer, and because the way it has done, and these days I have put on some weight, so all the clothes are a little bit skinny for me right now. So, and this cloth is very comfy. It doesn't look very loose, but it looks so stylish as well. It looks like a kurti because it is little bit lengthy. So that is the first kurti which I have got. Not kurti, it's a dress. You can also wear it as a dress, also a short dress, but I'm not a person who wear a short dress, so I have paired it with a black jegging. So that was the first top. Let's move on to the second one. All the clothes link and the size, everything I'll be mentioning down in the description box. So what I do is whenever I buy a clothes from Shein, I always make sure that I buy one size bigger than my normal size. So this time I've bought M size. So yes, let's move on to the second one. So the second top is this one, and it is a kind of a semi-formal wear, and I love this color. It's having a kind of checks, blue and black and a red color, a brick red color checks are there all over, and in between this place it has an elastic which make you look slimmer, and on the top till here it has a button, a wooden button, and again a full sleeve. So this again for people who wear short dresses, you can very well wear it as a short dress, but I am wearing it with a black jeggings again. And yes, it looks so good. You can either wear it with a black jeans as well. So it has a small string in the front which can be tied up and will give you a very perfect sleek body look also. So that was my second purchase from Shein.com. I guess you loved it. You can very well see the try on somewhere this side, like how did I tried it on me. So that was the second one. So let's move on to the third and last one, which became actually a little bit big for me, but I love the color combination, and I feel bad because I'm not able to wear it, but for you all, like how it is, how does it look, I'm going to show you the try on for that. But I might be giving this to my mom as a gift because I'm going to meet her soon, so I'll be giving this as a gift for her. Thank you, Shein, for making my mom happy by giving me this so that I can give her a gift there. So yes, let me show you all the third and last one. So yes, the last one is the most prettiest ever, is this white. I always buy one or other top in white from Shein. You will be getting a very good collection in white if you are a white lover like me from Shein. But this time I got a little bit bigger size as I've already told you. So this is going to be for my mom, but I am going to show you how it is looking, and it is again a very soft cloth. So the previous previous top which I was talking about, that is a pure soft cotton, and this is again a kind of chiffon material. So I am going to wear it with a jeggings or a blue color jeans or a black color jeggings, because this I am going to gift it to my mom. She might be using it as a kurti, so she might pair it with dupattas. So you can see it in the vlog when we will be going over there. So let's talk about the detailing of this cloth. As I've already told you all, it's a kind of chiffon material, a very pure white, and it has a multicolored embroidery on the top part of, so on the lower portion, on the ends of the sleeve, they have elastic like this. So that looks so great. If it was in my size, then it would be better. I will think to exchange it rather, but if my mom loves it, I'll be giving her, or else I'll be buying the same in my size for the next time. So yeah, in the back again it has a keyhole detailing, and in the top part it don't have the lining, so it again looks so stylish and sexy. And yes, so that was the last top. I hope that you all loved and enjoyed this small chota shopping haul from Shein.com. If you want to get these clothes, then please do check on the description box and you can really well get your size as well. That's it. I hope that you all loved and enjoyed this shopping haul. Till then, it's bye from me. But yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please immediately subscribe to my channel. And till then, it's bye from me. Ta-da, bye bye.